Wow. If you guys haven't been in Southern California during a fire, this is what your sky looks like in the morning. It's this weird orange glow, and there's no color correction on this one at all. But this eerie, weird orange haze that floats right above you. And look, you can see the smoke cloud. What you can't see on video is all the little ash all over the place. If you can see it, the sun is red. I mean, like, it is glowing red like an LED is on it.
Now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I am better now, better now. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
I've got a problem, and most of my people, my friends, my family, even acquaintances will know that I have a major problem. It's not a problem that's like life-threatening. It's not a problem that is detrimental, the way you look at it. It's not a problem that I would necessarily change completely. I'm a workaholic, man. Like, first step is accepting, all right? I have this urge and need and this awkwardness if I don't work. And work is to me is a little bit different. It's like progressing in some sort of manner and accomplishing some sort of goal, no matter how small it is. I mean, like this, if I were to hang out with you on a weekend and we're hanging out and just having a couple drinks, my brain is constantly running and thinking, did I do this? Did I do that? Did I forget to do this? And a lot of people are like, that's not healthy, Mike. And I'm gonna kind of agree with you. A lot of people are gonna tell me, like, find balance in life. And I've tried, trust me, I've tried. And my balance is every evening I hit the gym. And I hit the gym for roughly like 2 hours, no matter what it is. I'll do light workout, heavy workout, I'll run, I'll decompress. That's my balance in life. Besides that, I work. I wake up excited to work. I end the day with an urge and uneasiness to work the next day. And I ask why? Why am I like this? And the only thing I can think of is I find personal accomplishments very gratifying. And it's not even about money. You guys know I do a lot of personal projects on the side that makes me feel really good. My team can attest to this. Things like random signage, random stickers, random events, random things. You guys notice whenever I go to events, and I've been to a bunch, but I've only sold merchandise maybe at 2 because I enjoy them and I enjoy the industry a lot. So I do things because I really fucking love it. So here's the problem. I think I've accepted the fact that no matter how old or how far I get in life, I'll never be happy with where I am. And that's not saying whereas I am as in financials. It's not the fact that what things I'll have. It's more of things that I want to do and accomplish. Why am I telling you all this? I don't know. I woke up this morning with an urge to kind of vent and tell you guys what's going on. But it makes me uneasy when I don't live up to my expectations. But there is one thing about this. If I didn't have this urge and willingness to work and overtime work, and remember, it's not like I don't have fun and enjoy the personal times. I eliminate a lot of vices, so I don't watch a lot of TV, I don't hang out with a lot of the boys, I don't go out by myself often, I spend time with families. What I'm saying is all of this hard work, all of this work ethic and this randomness and urge to work really hard has equated to what we have today. Let me leave you guys with this question. Is it bad to have this crazy work ethic, this crazy urge to work so often? Or is it better to be content with life, but always seeking more and not knowing how? Let me just add one more thing. And I say this lightly, very lightly, there is almost nothing in life that I know that is not obtainable. What I mean is, what I want, what our family wants, what the people I love around me wants, whatever they want, we can figure out how to get it, because I know I can put in the work for it. That's the end part of that question. So which life would you pick? Content, but always seeking more? Or working too damn much, but knowing you can always get what you want? Damn, this video kind of went on the deep side of things, huh? Yeah, think about it. Food for thought, right? Do I have a problem? I guess only time will tell. You guys leave in the comments, let me know. We haven't done a deep conversation like this in a while.
I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices.
Leah, come on, let's go.
Baby.
Come on. Come on. Hold my hand. I feel like I'm here every day.
Then Weezy made me and she heard it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the army, the navy, they ran me 10,000, I do it like
Asian driver know how to park. Actually, this is one big lane, if you can tell. There's no center lane, Thomas. Look.
Nice.
Yeah, see?
And it's GTR parking all over.
Yeah, it's made for an Asian man. The sky is still blazing freaking red. Look. If you can see, I'm very like orange. Here's the interior. If you guys haven't seen it in kind of more detail, the start button's right here, which is pretty cool, right? Push your foot on the brake, press it, starts up. And then you'll see the bags air up itself. Some tunes. Guys, I completely forgot. I haven't been doing my 1-minute segments with you guys. And I apologize for that, because that's just fucking my fault. But I'm just gonna answer this question really quick, and this question involves a very simple topic that it's mostly business related. A lot of people have been asking about how to start a business, and this has been answered multiple times. But let me give you a different perspective of this, and you may or may not like it. So I'm gonna time this one. Just listen this out. This is a little bit different from what I usually would talk about. Starting 1 minute. Business. If you don't have it, don't do it. Be completely happy with what you have. For some reason, everyone thinks business is the way to go to life for things. I think you guys see some of my friends, some of the people you've seen around, and believe that because they're business owners, they live a nice life. But do you know, a lot of people that work backstage, like backstage is like behind the scenes of companies, make a lot of money. Like, you can be an accountant, it's a good one, right? Behind the scenes of a big company, making good money. A salesman makes good money. You can do anything with programming, makes good money. Medical field makes good money. You don't need to be a businessman to make good money and be happy and to have stuff. I know plenty of people who aren't in the professional business world that are very happy, that make a lot of money. So you guys all want to be entrepreneurs, but remember this. It's not the key to success. It could be anything. That's it for 1 minute. You guys get it? Don't worry. You guys can do whatever the fuck you want in life. Be very happy. That's the key. Happiness is the key. Money is important, but the balance between two is hard. I love you guys, man. I just wanted to tell you guys that. And I guess I'm gonna end the vlog today. I have a ton of stuff to do. I've been working my ass off, if you guys haven't noticed, and vlogging. I think we're at 8 or 9 episodes in now. So I just want to thank you guys so much. Our family appreciates it. I fucking appreciate it with a big ol' F-bomb on you guys. If you guys can do me a huge favor, if you watch to the end of this point of this video, leave a comment below. Let me know that you're still watching, because whoa, it's bright. My computer just turned on. And I appreciate you guys. Good night. Peace out. Fist bump to the face.